Basic operations for Graphic Display Calculator. 3. How to use memory. Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to show how to use memory with CASIO fx-CG50. Switch on your calculator pressing AC button. Press the menu button to open the main menu. Press 1 to enter the Run Matrix menu, or move the cursor and highlight 1, Run Matrix, then press Execute. For the memory function, we are able to use the letters between A and Z, R, and theta, showing in red above the calculator keys. For example, let us substitute root 5 into A. Enter the following to do this. Root 5, right side of the cursor, arrow, then select A and press Execute. Remember to press the alpha key before entering symbols shown in red. To select the root in yellow above the x squared key, we will have to first enter Shift. Let's try another example. This time, we substitute root 3 into B. Now, we are going to find A squared. Enter A squared. We have got the answer 5. Next, we are adding A and B. We get root 5 plus root 3 for the answer. In this video, we have shown how to use memory. Graphic Display Calculator, as easy as pie.